Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use one-handed mode in your Moto G34 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open gestures and then you can see one-handed mode here. Just click on it and you have to enable this. And friends, you can see the one-handed mode. Here it is a shortcut. When you just click on it, it automatically shifts to one-handed mode when you just click on it like this. And if you want, just click on this screen. It is a blank screen. When you just click on it, it automatically shifts to full screen mode. This is how you can go in full screen mode, one-handed mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.